benefits of yoga are multifarious. In this unit, we are going to see about the various benefits of yoga. The benefits of yoga are classified under four major headings, that is, physiological benefits, psychological benefits, therapeutic benefits, and physical benefits. Now, let us see the benefits of yoga one by one. The first being the physiological benefits of yoga. The stable autonomic nervous system equilibrium. That is, the autonomic nervous system is a component of involuntary physiologic process including heart rate, blood pressure, respiration, digestion, and sexual arousal. The pulse rate and respiratory rate decreases. That is, it decreases the pulse rate and respiratory rate and bring them to normal. The blood pressure also decreases and come to normal. The galvanic skin response increases. What is galvanic skin response? It is also known as electrodermal activity, and it is a measure of the continuous variations in the electrical characteristics of skin. EEG alpha waves increase. That is, the alpha waves are nothing but a type of brain wave associated with a state of calm alertness. It also increases the EMG activity. That is, EMG activity refers to the electrical signals produced by muscles when they contract. Then the cardiovascular efficiency increases. The cardiovascular efficiency refers to the coordinated working of heart, lungs, and blood vessels to deliver oxygen to muscles during physical activity. Next, the gastrointestinal and endocrine functions get normalized. The excretory functions improve. Musculoskeletal flexibility and joint range of motion increase. That is, musculoskeletal flexibility is the ability of the muscles, joints, and connective tissues to move through a full and pain-free range of motion. The breath holding time in the lung increases. Eye-hand coordination and posture improves. The endurance and energy level increases. What is endurance? There are two types, and the physical endurance is the capacity of muscles to perform repetitive actions like cycling, swimming, running long distances. The weight normalizes. Immunity increases. The steadiness of body increases. Next, let us see the psychological benefits of yoga. The somatic and kinesthetic awareness increases. What is somatic awareness? It is nothing but the intentional and focused attention to the sensation in the body. And kinesthetic awareness means knowing what one's body is doing, like how the arms, legs, and muscles are moving even with the closed eyes. It also increases the self-acceptance and self-actualization. Self-acceptance is acknowledging and valuing oneself, and self-actualization is realizing one's full potential. The social adjustment in the society increases. Anxiety and depression decreases. Hostility decreases. Hostility means being angry, unfriendly, or aggressive toward someone. Next, let us see about the therapeutic benefits of yoga. It relieves constipation and indigestion, cures knee ailments, useful in curing flatulence, and it regulates nervous debility. Nervous debility is acute severe anxiety or depression and an inability to function as normal. It regulates, checks and cures diabetes, useful for curing obesity, relieves backache, low back pain, and rheumatism. It also relieves headache, asthma. It is a remedy for menstrual disorders and varicose veins. It stimulates digestion, relocates slipped disc in the spinal cord, and there are very good asanas for relief from neck pain. It helps reform vertebral disorder of kyphosis. Kyphosis is rounded or hunchback like appearance. It is a good remedy for paralysis and rheumatism. Plays a very important role in curing impotency, that is, lack of power or strength in a sexual context, and it is very good for arthritis disorders. It is also useful in curing functional and organic disorders, helps reduce anxiety to normal levels. It is a remedy for stiff back problems, reforms vertebral disorders like scoliosis. Scoliosis is a condition in which a person's spine has an irregular curve, and it is also good remedy for liver ailments. Next, let us see the physical benefits of yoga. It develops physical stability, keeps a person young, it gives a young look to persons, strengthens the hamstring, calf, and back muscles. The hamstring muscles are nothing but a group of three muscles located at the back of the thigh. It also relieves stiffness of joints, especially the knee, hip, and ankle joints, removes excess of fat in the abdominal region, increases flexibility of the vertebral column. It is extremely beneficial to the spinal column, enlarges the thoracic cavity, strengthens the back and abdominal muscles, increases range of movements in all directions in the hip joint, develops balancing power in the body, relaxes the spinal column, reduces excess fats on the sides, strengthens ankles and tones the leg muscles, promotes spinal